Welcome back to Endless Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to print task list on Asana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Asana, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a task to multiple projects in Asana can be a great way to keep your work organized, especially when a task is relevant to more than one project. Because printing a task list from Asana can be useful for meetings, physical documentation, or personal reference. While Asana does not have a direct print button, you can still print your task list using few straightforward steps. Number one is you can press Ctrl plus P button, and that would lead you to the print option. Or you can just go here on the drop down menu and click on export. So you have multiple options here, and obviously we're looking for the print option. Just wait for it to load, and then what will happen is you would be forwarded here on the same page that we have seen earlier. Now, you can, of course, have an option to, maybe if you change your mind, save as PDF instead, or the Microsoft Print to PDF. If you do that, what will happen is you would be selected to check all the pages. Is it going to be like add? You see, you have options to add pages only, even pages, or if you wanted to have a custom, wherein you can put in as many pages as you can, for example, 1 to 5, number 8 only, 11 to 13, and a lot more. Okay? So for now, I'm going to click on the all pages. You have an option for the orientation. Is it going to be like portrait or landscape? You can also choose some option for the color, which is going to be black and white, and also color. When you click on the drop-down menu for more settings, you have an option for the paper size. Are you going to use the letterhead, tabloid, legal, statement, executive, A3, A4, A5, B4, B5? You also have an option for the scale. Is it going to be default or the custom, wherein you can put the specific values that you wanted, all right? You can also add in headers and footers and the background graphics if you wanted. All right, and the printing using system dialog is going to be Control plus Shift plus P. Right? Once you've done that, you might want to go to the print option. If you decided already, click that, and then what will happen is... And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.